Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another belt to review. This is the Gucci 40mm belt. This has a antique like silver buckle, pretty simple. And it just says Gucci down there. And this is one piece of leather. It feels very soft in the back. There's chocolate colored leather in the front with the Gucci logo throughout. It just goes throughout the entire belt. Pretty simple. In the back it says Gucci made in Italy. Guess they have some sizing info. 35 centimeters, which translates to a 38-inch USA. Now, I wore this belt a couple of times and overall it feels pretty good, but I did notice it gets stained very easily in the back. Like, here's a stain right here. And also, I don't know if you can see it, but the loophole, they do stretch just a little. It's just very soft, this belt. I think I got this on sale. I'm not sure if they still sell this. I probably got this like last season. It's on sale for like, I don't know, 40% off. Usually Gucci has their sales near the end of the year, like Black Friday. Also have this in, I believe, black. Shot of it. Comes with a cloth bag. And again, it's made in Italy. Like their dust bags. It's very elegant, just says Gucci. And the box is actually pretty good compared to like their ready to wear boxes. This feels pretty sturdy. And it's another shot of the belt. Overall, I think it's definitely worth it. Like, you get one solid piece of leather. I think I picked this up for like 250 bucks. And let me show you the warping. I mean, there's very, very little like stretching on this belt. It's very high quality for the price. That's why I like Gucci. They don't increase their prices that much, and the quality is still pretty high quality, I would say, for a luxury brand. Next video I'll probably just do a comparison of some other belts compared to Gucci. I hope you find this useful somehow, and please rate and subscribe. Thanks.